Multilogin is a reliable tool for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll create browser profiles with built-in Austrian proxies. Open your workspace. This beginner-friendly interface helps you view active profiles. Click Create to start a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear name. Add tags and notes to keep profiles grouped by project, platform, or client. Choose the Startup tab, Browser Core, Storage Mode, and OS. Mobile profile emulation is available if you need to work with mobile-first platforms. Go to the Proxy tab. Select residential or mobile proxies and choose HTTPS or SOCKS 5 protocol. Multilogin includes built-in access to 30 million IPs across 150+ countries, including Austria. Select Austria, then narrow it down to a region or city. This ensures your profile appears as a local Austrian user. You can select an ISP to match real Austrian network conditions. This creates a more natural environment for location-based accounts. Click Check Proxy to confirm the IP and location before moving on. Adjust fingerprint settings if needed. Multilogin provides over 55 fingerprint controls, so each profile stays unique. If you plan to create more Austrian profiles, save this setup as a template. It speeds up future profile creation. Click Create to save your profile. Your Austrian-based profile is now ready to launch. If you use these proxy settings often, save them as a proxy template. Click Clone if you need more profiles with the same configuration. Enter the number of profiles you want to create. Your profiles are now cloned with isolated environments. If you use these proxy settings often, save them as a proxy template. Click Create, just like you did for a browser profile. Enter your proxy details: location, proxy type, and protocol, the same as before. Your template now appears in the list. Next time you create a profile, select this template from the Proxy tab to apply the settings instantly. Launch the profile to begin working with your accounts. A verification window will appear. Check your IP, region, time zone, and browser environment before logging in. Your Austrian proxy profile is now ready, and you can safely create or log into your accounts. Thanks for watching. Begin your trial today and explore more guides on our website and YouTube channel.